Okay, hello everybody. I hope that all of you are doing great. So this is in continuation with our topic, user interface and user experience development or UI UX development. Okay, so for this video, I will be showing you on how you can use Figma for your user interface design. So I hope that you explore more on these tools because what I'm going to show you are just very basic, on how you can create a design or do a user interface design using this tool. So to start, just go to this link, figma.com, and then if you don't have yet an account, just click on get started for free, or if you already created your account, just click on login, then start logging in. Okay, so as easy as that. I already have my account, so I'm just going to log in, and then I'm not going to show you what account I'm using, but yeah, here it is. So after logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. You can create your teams if you like, no? You can have it here. But for this one, just click on design file to get started. And I will not be showing you the other, the other functionalities of Figma, but if you have time, I want you to explore, no? So for this one, I wanted to name my application as sample. Wanted to name it as a shopping cart. Shopping application. Okay. Okay, and then after that one, you can create your page, no? Um, yeah. So I think for the free account, you're only allowed to create uh 3 pages if you have a team, but you can create multiple pages if you're using this one. If without a team, not really sure, but just explore it, guys. So after creating a page, click on this one. We're going to select a frame. And then the frame that I wanted to use is, so it depends on you, but you can use anything. Okay? Everything depends on you because it's your style. I want you to explore these tools. I'm going to use iPhone Pro. This one na lang. Okay, iPhone Pro Max. Okay. Sorry. And then first that I'm going to design is I'm going to design my login. So these are the tools you can add rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, and then this one is a pen or pencil, a text, a hand, etc. So what you can do is just to click this one, no, for you to add your elements on your on your design. Okay. So first is I'm going to create a login screen. So you need to think what are the elements um nga naa sa isa ka login screen, no? So kasagaran there is a username, there is a password, there is a login button, but yeah, those were the basic elements. So I wanted to name this screen as a login. In order to rename that, you can simply click on this one, double click, and then let us say this is your login page or login screen, no? But we'll call it as a login page. So you click that one, and it's really up to you what you design. But what I like is I wanted a gradient background, so you can just fill this one. When you click this one, there are other things that you can do is just to find it here. So you can select what color you like, or if you wanted like a gradient style or something like that. So it depends on you. Just explore this one, okay? So I wanted to do it like ganyan, gradient, no? You can just click on fill. You could also use this or this, and then choose the color you like, the color you want. That depends on you. Everything depends on you, but this is just a sample. Okay, so I want my background to look like that. Okay, And then after that one is I wanted to add my logo or my icons or yeah. So you can design your own logo, you can design your own icons. Let me find an icon here in flat icon. And then I wanted to so pwede na mag-design mo inyo. Oh, just ano lang basta mapakita na to kung paano design. So I wanted a shopping cart. Tapos gusto ko this one. You can copy this as PNG, you can download it or SVG, anything you like, and then just add it to your art. I don't just add it to your design. So gusto ko to, so I'm going to copy that and then just paste it here. Control V, no? Or you can also upload the image in this page. So, but yung mas easier is like Control C, Control V. Okay, so just choose anything you like. Uh, I think I'm going to replace this one, my field to something like color yellow or something. But I can do that later na lang. I can do that later. So make sure to rename and then rename your elements or your objects to an appropriate file name. So in order to rename an element, just click on this one. So for example, this is your logo. After that one, after clicking this one, you go here. I think you can see my uh, cursor naman, no? And then double click. So just double click and name it as your logo. No? And then if you would like to add text, just click on this one, add text. And I wanted to add a text that says my application are shopping. Okay? So just feel free to name your own. And then when you click this one, you can find here the different styles that you can do with the text. For the font, just click on this. And I wanted to use this one, or it depends on you, but this is just an example. Okay, I wanted to use that, and then I wanted to add a text, and then regular. I think that's it. You can also have it like bold, semi-bold, or etc. Depends on you. Just explore this one here. Or you can update the alignment, etc., etc. Okay. So next, I wanted to add a username and password field. So just going to click this and then add a line, or you can add a rectangle. Depends on you guys. Everything actually depends on you because it's your application. No? So what I'm showing to you is just the basic. Just always remember that when you click this one, like when you click an element or an object, you will see the design here, huh? At the right field. So you can just like update the style here. Let us say for this one, you want it to look like white or something. Just do it like that. Or you can also update the design here or etc. Just that depends on you. But I want it to look it like that. And then this will be my username. I'm going to adjust the font to, since this is just a placeholder, so I'm going to make the font to at least 20. 20 would be good, and then in regular weight, so that looks like that. And then I'm going to change the color to something like that, not too bright, so that's my username. And then I'm going to like just hold the shift button in order for you to select multiple elements so that you can just copy it. Or you can also do that here. No, I'll just press the control. Okay. and then click on that one, then Control C, Control V. So copy, Control C, Control V for your password. So just double click in order for you to update the text. Okay, and after that one, I already have the username. I already have the password field. I'm going to add a button. So you can just search on your browser to the styles of button you like, but you can also customize it or you can do it. You can do it your own. So I'm going to add a like rectangle here and then just take a look the design here. I wanted the border radius to be 100 to make it look like that. And then I wanted to fill it with some sort of, you can do the gradient, you can also do style that you like. Really depends on you. Everything depends on you. So, parang ang pangit. Okay, I don't want to waste my time creating these styles. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to update that later. And then this will be my login button. So what I just did is just click on this one, then Control C, Control D. Okay? So nawala siya. In order for you to show it, just have it like uh, after your rectangle. You can do it like that, and then we'll name it as your plugin. So I wanted it to be bold. I wanted the font size to be 36 or like 24, everything up to you. Just make sure that it looks good. And then, so that's my login. I'm going to update the design. I don't really much like it, but yeah, I'm going to update that one later. So that's it. And after that one, I want you to group, the elements in order for it to look like beautiful, no? By updating the names here and the group. So I wanted to group this. What I can do is just to click on this one and this one, and then you go here, then right click, then group selection, and I wanted to name this as my logo element. So in my login, I have the logo, and then I wanted to click on this one, click on this one, then right click on this, then group selection, just double click, and I wanted to name it as my username field. So make sure that you are following my instructions because I wanted you to design your UI as, something good at para dili siya gobot. Okay? Just group that one. You can move that by clicking this and that over here so that there is an arrangement with your elements. You can name it as your password field, etc. And this one is your login button. Just group, and then that is your login button. Okay, so that's it. You now have your login page. If you'd like to add something like log in with password or log in with password, log in with Facebook or Google Chrome, you can just click on this and then add that one here, or this is already your password field. Um, I wanted to click, ano, ito pala yung dapat. Move it there. I want to remove this line and then change the sorry guys. Ito dapat yung dito. Tapos, okay, all good. And then I wanted to remove this line. And then, or log in with. I wanted to add a social media icons. I could just use that font and reduce the font. Maybe put it like maybe 15. 15 will do. Okay, and then just search on your uh, icons here. The Facebook. Oh, sorry. Then I wanted to use uh, this design. Again, copy, then Control C, Control D, and then can do that. By the way, just press the Shift key in order for it to resize your image. You can do it like that. Okay, Google. Then also I wanted to add the Google, this one. Oh, copy. Right there. Give it a moment. Huh? Oh, so okay, these are the pretty basic, no, the things that we can do in this page. I'm going to add the other elements later para will not waste too much time on this. So after this one is make sure again to to arrange here. No, kasi pangit naman kung andyan yan eh. So this should be under the login page. Then I'm going to group this as social media. Oh, group. And then these are my social media or social media icons. So I already have my login page. So as simple as that. Again, your style, everything is really up to you. You can also add a background image here. So just find the image that you like. You can use pixels for the free images. And then just find stock photos here. You can have this girl right there and just control V. And then you can just a bit of background, everything up to you. Okay, so since in order for you to show the other elements, just drag it down here para mas makita niyo siya. Okay, so parang ang pangit ng style. This is an idea that I don't like that. I wanted to make it like that one. And then after this one, I already have my login page. I'm going to create my registration page. So just click on this one. Let me do it again. Para makita niyo. Just click on this one. This is the entire page. This one. You can copy or then you can right click. After copying, you can just press on Control V for your and for your another for your another for your other another screen. Okay? So I wanted then make sure to name it as the name of your page. So registration page or like double click that. Okay? Registration page and then arrange that and make sure to arrange that one here and then register or after that one I wanted to add like another field so you can just drag this out here. Perfect. This is my username, that is my password. Okay, it now looks like that. This is my first name, last name. So for the fields, just feel free to add the fields that you like. It depends on you. So for your registration, you now have your logo. This one is your username, your password. This one is your first name field. This one is your last name field. Name field. Sorry for the pronunciation, guys. Oh, okay, and then arrange that one. Just drag it there para mas maganda tignan. Or register with, and then we'll just like just add, I don't know, some text here. Maybe don't have an account, then register link. Okay, not sure. It, edit pala na yan lang yung lalagyan ko ng text box in my, this one, I wanted to name it like already have an account, and this is login. Okay, let me try to check it. Parang ano, over yung space. So let me drag that there. Okay, so this is your login. Oh, sorry about that. Just Control Z if it was removed accidentally. So you now have your, this is not supposed to register tabs. And okay. So make sure to name your files here para mas maganda tignan. Okay, that's it. So I already have my registration. Then next is your dashboard. Just click on that one and then just name it as your, hmm, I have now your login. Wait. Where did it go? You have now your login, your login, your registration. Okay, here. And then this one is your dashboard page. So for your dashboard, just find know, your anything inspiration in the internet. I'm not going to show you that on this video, but uh when I'm going to share this recording, um, and then this sample, uh, nabuhat na siya. Okay. So, kamo na mag-design na. Pakita na ako sa inyo later on the sample. So, for the dashboard, I'm going to remove this. So, I want it to be empty, and yeah, just add anything you like. But for now, um, after adding your dashboard, just ano guys, click on the prototype because we're going to have it like more interactive, and then click on this, the element that you'd like to link. Click on that element. Well, let me, what's this? I can find that. Yeah. So when you click on this one, click that one, then click on prototype, then there is an interaction. Just click add. Then on top, navigate to register, navigate to registration page. And then for your login, when you tap this one, just click again, and then interactions on top, navigate to your login page. So that is why it's important that you name your page appropriately in order for you to find it easier here. And then so that is my login. Or when someone click this, I want it to go to the dashboard. So click on that and navigate to the dashboard page. And okay, so that's it. That's it. So when I try to play this one, just click this one. Yeah. Play. So that is how it looks like in real phone, in real application. So parang ang pangit, no? So I need to change the color at least for this one here. I wanted to make it white para mas maganda tignan. The blue is good, or maybe we'll have it yellow. It's like white. No, this one. B. Okay, so for that one, pangit niya. So we're gonna get one. Okay, so this is what your UI looks like on a mobile phone. So if someone clicks on the login, since atoan naman ni siyang na-connect with your login, so it will go back to the login. And then when you tap on or click on the login button, it will navigate to your dashboard. So, or you can just click this one. So, this is like how you create your prototype using Figma. So I hope that you've learned, guys. I'm going to share this example for you to, I don't know, for your reference, but you can choose any UI design that you like or any application that could either be a shopping application or photography or social media or dating applications or reservation applications or billing applications, bank application, everything up to you, no? But for your requirements, just create a login page, registration page on your dashboard. And I want you guys to explore more for you to develop the skills in UI designing. So you can use the Figma and yeah, simple as that. So just explore and then continue learning. So I think that's all. Let me know if you have questions so that, you know, I can answer your question. So those are the pretty basic, very simple tool, but very, very useful tool. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching.